Hey guys, it's Sunday the 28th. We didn't shoot any video yesterday. I'm quite busy. We had the seasonal morning meetup where they discuss new rules and maintenance and all that new stuff for the park. That's always fun. Then after that we went into town, had to pick up a few things, came back here. I put the steps together for the entry here because our steps that are attached to the coach, it sheared off one bolt, so I was getting ready to shear off another, and I'm not replacing it. So we found a reasonably priced 3-step with handle little staircase, so put that together. Did a couple other things. Then it was the seasonal potluck, and man, there was a lot of good food there this year. And right now I just got done doing some dishes. That's always fun in a small sink when you have a lot. And Betsy's in town. It's 10 o'clock and Piper's still out. I mean, she did a lot of running around and playing yesterday, so she is just done. So it's gonna rain all day and thunderstorms. I don't know if you can hear it hitting the roof right now or not, but it's out there. It's pretty wet. Do some indoor stuff today, I guess. Watch movies. I don't know. If it does stop raining, I would like to put the roof on the tiki bar, but I don't think that's happening this weekend. So I guess I'll talk to you about what some of our plans are for this year. My cousin Jan has a farm about an hour and a half north of here, I believe it is. And so we're going to go there and see if Piper would get on the horse. I don't know. There's some other animals and stuff there, so that should be fun. And we have a bunch of these little ghost towns and mystery cemeteries and different things we might hit. See what else. We'll do a run of Cops and Donuts in Clare. And then is it next week? The weekend after. Betsy seen a post over at Frankenmuth from the Cheese House having some event with bounce houses and stuff like that. So I guess we'll drive and do that. So just a lot of little stuff around here. For the meetup, one thing I'm going to do is go to all the local restaurants, show you what they're like, and there's quite a few decent ones in the area within 10-15 minute drive. So that way you guys, if you want to leave the park and do something, you can. There's a new coffee house right up the street here that just opened, and it has desserts and little sandwiches and whatnot, and everyone says it's wonderful. So I myself don't drink coffee, but they have hot chocolate and teas and other stuff, so we'll check that out. And so for you coffee lovers, and got you covered too. So anyway, I don't have much I can do except maybe watch some TV while she's asleep. And yeah, so alright, see what else we can find to do today.
Oh, there they are. Oh, there's a third one. Aww. I'd have to see their white tails. I never really see their white tails.
Hey guys, so I never got to finish any video on Sunday. The weather was kind of bad, and we ended up heading home a bit early anyway, so it was a good weekend. Didn't get a whole lot done, but the stairs were made, so that was important. Work on the tiki bar next weekend. Hopefully the weather's permitting. Looks like they're calling for rain again. It was weird because it was like 50 degrees there yesterday, cold and rainy, and we're less than 2 hours away from home. We lived south of the park, and when we got home, it was 80 degrees. So as of right now, it's 80 again. I got the air on, and hope it stays that way. So there's usually a 3 to 5 degree difference between the campground and home. Yesterday was a big difference. So let me shut this off. Let's shut the air off for a minute. It seems like it's so damn loud. After many years in the auto industry, I am looking to leave the auto industry and go to something else. So I'm actually on my final interview with a company, and I'm in the parking lot right now. I'm always early everywhere I go, and I still have a good 15 minutes or so before I need to go in. So something's not right here. Hold on. Yeah, I don't get it. Anyway. Ain't that. Still sounds like the air's running and I have it all off. Oh, I have my seat on. Is that really making that much of a difference, having my air-cooled seat on? Yeah, it does. That's louder than the air conditioning. Never knew that. Okay. So, instead of being in the auto industry, I am now shifting over towards medical supply, and medical equipment. Something different, right? So I have a little bit of a background. I was with the ambulance service many moons ago. So if all goes well today, this is my third and I believe final interview. I may have a new job and a new career and a whole new industry. So I'm kind of excited about that. It's going to be very different not being in the auto industry anymore, though. I mean, that's what I've been used to for so long. So anyway, I am going to put the air back on because I don't want to be all sweaty when I go in there. And I'll let you guys know how it turns out. So talk to you in a bit.